oil gas pipelines, is the vital lifeline of energy infrastructure. Safety inspections are the top priority. Traditional inspection methods are inefficient. Smart transformation is urgent. ZIYAN collaborates with its authorized partner to co-develop next-gen intelligent inspection solutions, establishing an unmanned intelligent inspection ecosystem with end-to-end intelligent transformation. The solution integrates F15 Unmanned Helicopter, unified management platform, AI recognition system, autonomous charging stations. The F15 Unmanned Helicopter can be simultaneously equipped with a camera, a loudspeaker, and a gas detector. It can operate in complex terrains such as high-altitude plateaus, river valleys, and desert, enabling a 60-kilometer pipeline inspection in a single mission. Compared to manual inspection, the F15 improves efficiency by 6 to 8 times and transmits high-precision inspection data in real time. To the unified management platform, it features AI-powered analysis with over 80% accuracy in hazard detection, providing a comprehensive risk overview on a single dashboard. Additionally, it can instantly send alerts to field personnel's mobile devices, enabling rapid response to emergencies and accelerating safety decision-making. F15 supports auto-charging dock, enabling 24/7 uninterrupted patrols, empowering full lifecycle management of oil and gas infrastructure. This solution has been successfully implemented for oil pipeline inspection at an oil field in China, where it accurately identified 50 potential hazards, significantly enhancing operational efficiency and safety.